Welcome back to Rolling with BJ in the kitchen. Yes, yes, yes. How you guys doing today? Thank you for stopping in to my channel on today. And if you just stopping in for the first time, by all means, subscribe, share the video, keep watching, go through the library. Plenty of videos to watch. We doing all kind of cooking up in here. So also, if you're not a first-time visitor and you're a subscriber, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. And here's another great recipe for you. This is a quick, easy, simple recipe that I'm going to do to make some chicken wraps for work. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, what I'll be using is, what I have is about 3 or 4 chicken thighs, and what I did was I cut them up into little slices and I washed them real good, and now I'm going to season them. This is going to be so quick and easy. Okay, so I didn't measure anything. I just put some seasoning salt, garlic powder, white pepper, and some parsley flakes in this little container, and I'm just going to sprinkle it and mix it all in. And after I start cooking them, I'll taste it and see if I need any more seasoning. So it's no measuring to this, just go by looks, however much you think you want to put on yours. And we're just going to brown these up in a skillet. So it's just a dash of this and a pinch of that, and you know how that go. Okay, so I think that's mixed up pretty good. Now I like dark meat, and I want my meat to look dark, so I'm just going to use some of this browning liquid sauce. Just a very little go a long way. I just want my meat to look dark. So that little drop should be enough. So we're just going to mix that all up in there. Now, the browning sauce is not necessary. You don't have to use that if you don't have it. Don't worry about it. It's not a necessity. It's just something that I like to do. Okay, so let me dash a little bit more, and then we go into the stove, you guys. Okay, that will do. That is it. That's all. That's it. That's all. Okay, so I'm going to just let this sit here like this until I get my oil going. So I'm going to use vegetable oil, and I'm only going to use like a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half, you guys. So let me get that going, and I'll be right back. And then I'm taking you to the stove with me. Okay, I have my fire on medium, and I'm just going to dash some vegetable oil off in this skillet. Okay, that's about a tablespoon, you guys, because you don't need much. Yeah, I would say that's about a tablespoon. Just eyeball it, or you can measure. Okay, so once that get hot, you're going to go on and stick this chicken off in there, and we're going to grill it up. And after this, the rest is really simple. Okay, let's see if it's hot. Okay. And you just want to spread them out in the skillet. Okay, they're all in there. Okay, so we just gonna let them brown on both sides. And then you can just taste a little piece to see if you want any more seasoning before you take them out. And if you want more seasoning, just add it. And if you don't, then you good to go. We'll be moving on to the next step. Okay, so I'm going to rinse these off and I'll be back. I'm going to let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Okay, so we're not going to rush them. We're just going to let it cook. And I'm going to go wash these tongs off. So I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I washed them off. And now let's see what's going on. Let's just turn them all over. You can actually use chicken breast as well. To me, I just like dark meat. I like the juicy. But don't get me wrong, I do eat chicken breast, just not as much as I eat the chicken thighs. So, yeah. You see me doing a lot of cooking with chicken thighs. Okay, so we just got them all turned over. We're going to let them cook a little more. And then while these are cooking, I'm going to go and get the rest of the stuff that we're gonna need to complete this chicken wrap. Okay, so I'm going to let them cook about 3 more minutes, and then I'm going to come back and check them, and I'm definitely going to let them cook about 3 more minutes after that, because you guys know how I am about my food. I like it well done. I can't be doing no half-cooked food, so we're going to just make sure they're done before we take them out. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, time to do a check. Okay, so I guess I'm going to go on and taste it now to see if I need any more seasoning. Excuse me, you guys, for reaching all over the camera. I don't need any more seasoning. Oh, it's really good. I just needed to cook a little longer. The white pepper just give it a little flair. Man, this white pepper is something else. Okay, you guys, I'm going to let it cook just a little while longer. And then I'll be back. Okay? Almost done. We call this BJ well done. Well done. No half done, no half stepping. Alrighty, I'll be back, you guys. Okay, you guys, total cook time been about 13 minutes. So now we're going to cut this fire off. We're going to take this chicken over to the counter and start our chicken wraps. Now, if you don't have white pepper, use black pepper. Some people don't like pepper at all. So, I mean, the seasoning is totally up to you, whatever you want to use, you guys, okay? Okay, so we're going to take this over to the stove, to the counter and make the rest. Okay, so I have these spinach tortilla shells. They spinach and herb. Okay, so I'm just going to take one out, lay it out. You can use any kind you want. I just like these because they're more healthier. So we're just going to put some chicken in there. Don't pile it too full so you can be able to close it. Okay, so I didn't have any tomatoes and stuff, so that's fine. I'm just going to use this spring mix lettuce. This is what I like to eat when I eat salad. So this is spring mix lettuce and baby spinach. Okay, so I don't eat cheese, so there's no cheese on here, but you are more than welcome to add cheese or anything you like. You can add in yours. So I'm going to use this Asian toasted sesame salad dressing. I'm just going to put a little in there. Okay, now we're going to wrap this. I like to leave one end open. That's just my preference. So I'm going to fold that in. Okay, so now make sure all your stuff is in there nice and tight. And then just roll it. Okay, and this one is pretty thin. It's coming loose. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take another one. Well, I'll do it towards you. So I'm going to take this one and just roll my little chicken wrap. Okay, so there we are. I like this. So here we are. Okay, you guys. Here is my little chicken wrap. I got it all on my hands, but it's so good. Okay. Okay, you guys. love it. I wish I had some tomatoes and some mandarin oranges to put in there. But anyway, woo, this is good. So, thank you for joining me on this quick video on my little lunch for today. And I'm going to call it, what am I going to name it? Do you guys hear them crickets? BJ quick and easy spinach wrap, chicken spinach wrap. Okay, BJ's quick and easy spinach wrap, chicken spinach wrap. I'm gonna get it together, doggone it. At the end of this video, in the thumbnail, you will know what the title of this chicken wrap is called. So, in the meantime, I'm gonna finish this, and I'll see you back on the next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you haven't already. Leave a comment and just join this wonderful family here, just cooking and sharing love in this kitchen. Okay? Talk to you later. Bye.